3, 2, 1, action.
Math with monkeys. Law of cosines. Addition. Produced by Tommy Leinart and Joshua Realovit.
Hello and welcome to Monkey Math Law of Cosines Edition. Today we're going to be walking you through a word problem focusing on the law of cosines. So without further ado, let's look at the problem now. Farmer Dolans has too many monkeys jumping on his bed. Therefore, he needs to use a triangular pen to put the monkeys in timeout. The farmer does not know if his pen is big enough to hold his monkeys. Each monkey takes up 2 square feet, and there are 750 monkeys. Size of the pen are 50 feet, 62 feet, and 67 feet. Can all 700 monkeys fit in the pen? Include the area of the pen to justify your answer. So to start this problem, we want to make sure we draw a diagram so we know what we're talking about. You can see we have a triangle, and the sides have been labeled side A, B, and C. That will become important later, but for now, just know which is A, which one's B, and which one's C.
Now that we've drawn our diagram, we're gonna be labeling the sides. So side B will make it 50 feet. Side C will make it 67 feet, and side A will be 62 feet, as described in the problem. Alright, so now that we've labeled all the sides, we're going to find angle A. We chose angle A just for demonstration purposes, but you can still find the area of the pen with any old angle. But first, before you find the area, you must know the law of cosines.
Now we're going to take a break from our actual word problem to discuss the law of cosines.
Muy importante!
As just stated, this law is very important when you want to find the measure of an angle when given only the lengths of the sides. The law of cosine states that the cosine of angle A equals the length of side B squared plus the length of side C squared minus the length of side A squared. This is then divided by 2 times the length of side B times the length of side C. Now that we know the law of cosines, let's apply it to this word problem. We can replace 50 feet as the length of side B and 67 feet as the length of side C. We can also replace the length of side A with 62 feet and do the same on the bottom. Now we have the equation the cosine of A equals 50 squared plus 67 squared minus 62 squared over 2 times 50 times 67. Now for step 2, we need to take the cosine -1 of both sides. This will cancel the cosine on the first side, leaving A by itself, and give us on the second side, cosine, the second side or the right side, cosine to the -1 power, cosine inverse, whatever you want to call it, times the quantity, 50 squared plus 67 squared minus 62 squared over 2 times 50 times 67 and quantity. When you put this into your calculator, you will get out approximately 62.004 degrees.
Remember to switch your mode to degrees, children. Alright, so now that we have the measurement of angle A, we're going to find the area of a triangle. And to do that, its area equals 1/2 times side C times side B times the sine of angle A.
Kids, remember, this will be on the test.
So now that we have this formula, let's apply it to the actual word problem. So area equals 1/2 times 50 times 67 times the sine of 62.004 degrees. And when we plug this in the calculator, we get area equals 1,479 square feet. And this is approximated, of course.
Kids, if you don't get this answer, make sure you're in degree mode, because you're probably in radian mode. The last step of this problem is going to be to find out how much space the monkeys will actually take up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the 750 monkeys and multiply it by the 2 square feet that each monkey is going to take up. And what we find is that we will need a total of 1,500 square feet for all the monkeys.
Drum roll, please. And the answer is... No. Farmer Dolan cannot fit all of his monkeys in his pen. This is because the space the monkeys require, 1,500 square feet, is more than the area of the pen, about 1,479 square feet.
And now, the test. Yeah, sorry if you didn't see this coming, but we did say it was going to be here. So, let's go to our questions. 1. What is the law of cosines? And 2. What is the formula for the area of a triangle? Please post your answers in the comments section down below.
The end.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video taught you about the law of cosines and bettered your grasp on finding the area of a triangle using that law.
The monkeys say thank you too. Alright, this has been Monkey Math, signing off.